is that there is no flavor transfer.
It's really amazing because you can cook desserts and seafood at the same time. Like we're cooking pie, shrimp, and salmon, and there's just no flavor transfer at all.
You can cook with steam only, or steam and convection together, convection only, or you may use any of the many other traditional cooking modes available in this oven. The steam helps eliminate the need for using unhealthy fats and oils.
You just fill the water tank and you're ready to go.
Steam and convection together combine the best of both worlds, using the browning elements of a traditional convection oven combined with the benefits of steam. It cooks faster with superior texture, appearance, taste. The food is crisp on the outside. This is the game changer.